breaking down in a seasonal slump. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, in a seasonal slump. This phrase is not only colorful but also very descriptive, and understanding it can help you express yourself more vividly in English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear any confusion. In a seasonal slump refers to experiencing a period of decline, decrease in activity, or lower performance that is tied to a specific season or time of the year. The word seasonal indicates that this downturn is not permanent but related to certain times. Slump, on the other hand, suggests a significant fall or drop. Together, they describe temporary setbacks or decreases in activity that happen at predictable times of the year. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Retail sales. Many stores experience a seasonal slump after the holiday season when customers reduce their spending. 2. Tourism. Beach resorts might go through a seasonal slump during the winter months when fewer tourists visit. 3. Energy levels. Some people find themselves in a seasonal slump during winter, a condition often referred to as seasonal affective disorder, SAD, where shorter daylight hours affect their mood and productivity. These examples show how, in a seasonal slump, can be applied to different scenarios, from business cycles to personal experiences. Now that we understand what the phrase means and have seen some examples, let's practice using it in sentences. The ice cream shop is in a seasonal slump right now, but we expect business to pick up in the summer. I've been feeling in a seasonal slump lately. I think I miss the sunshine and outdoor activities of the summer. Remember, using phrases like, in a seasonal slump, can add depth and specificity to your communication, illustrating not just what is happening but also when and why. Understanding and using the phrase, in a seasonal slump, can help you describe situations with more precision and color. Whether you're talking about business, personal feelings, or the changing seasons, this phrase is a handy tool in your English language toolkit. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and uses for you. Keep practicing, and don't let yourself get in a slump with your English learning journey. See you in the next video.